All right, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak English and I understand.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I'm definitely healthy and I don't have issue with my body.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. My second time.
Your second time. Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose to work in Malaysia because I hear Malaysia is good country and don't have salary deduction.
Don't have salary deduction. All right, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. My name is Annalisa Pilayo Frey. I'm 27 years old. My birthday was on September 10, 1998. My religion is Episcopal, and I have live-in partner, John J. Steve Lawa. He is 26 years old.
All right, so I need to know some few more details from you first. Your live-in partner, what is his occupation?
Sales clerk, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 167 centimeter and my weight is 75, ma'am.
Did your live-in partner allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
I'm undergraduate college, ma'am.
In what course?
IT, ma'am. Yes, I
All right, what is your height and your weight again?
167 centimeter and 75, ma'am. My weight.
Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia also?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the eldest, ma'am.
What about your mother and your father?
My father is Joel R. Rockway, and my mother is Annalyn Pilayoki.
How old is your mother and your father and what is their occupation?
My father age is 47 and his occupation is driver, and my mother age is 44. She is housewife.
All right. So, according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2019 in the Philippines. Is it stay-in-maid or housemaid? I
Stay
mean,
in, ma'am.
this is a housemaid and this is stay-in-maid.
Housemaid, ma'am.
Yes, is it stay-in-maid?
Stay in maid, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Cavite, ma'am.
Cavite. How many years you work there?
1 year only, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities inside the house?
My work was cleaning, cooking, and taking care 1 year old baby.
Did you do laundry and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So after that, way back 2020 to 2021, you also worked as a housemaid for 1 year.
Yes,
In which part of the Philippines?
in Pampanga, Philippines, ma'am.
Stay in also.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities?
My job responsibilities here was cleaning, cooking, and taking care 5 years old kids, ma'am.
One only.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2021, after that, 2021 to 2023, you also work as a housemaid.
Repeat, ma'am.
After 2021, way back 2021 to 2023, you work also as a housemaid in the Philippines.
No, ma'am.
What is this? What is your working experience way back 2021 to 2023 in the Philippines?
Packaging, ma'am.
Packaging for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2023, you work in Oman way back 2023 to 2025,
Yes, ma'am.
together with Georgette, is it? So you worked there also for how many years? 1 year and 10 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you was sent back by your employer earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what happened? Why both of you sent back early?
Because my employer get new made early, ma'am.
All right.
As
So
as
okay. So what is your job responsibilities there?
my job responsibilities there, mainly taking care of 5 kids, ma'am, because I have companion working in the house. Sometimes I cook Arabic food and Asian food whenever the kids needed.
So Georgette, she take care 80 years old elderly, and while you take care of 5 years old, 5 kids, is it?
Yes, ma'am. But Georgette is she's working on my madam brother.
All right. So total, how many children you take care again?
5 kids now.
How old are those children?
The the first one, ma'am, is 1 year old, and the second one is 5 years old. The third one is 7 years old, and the fourth one is 8 years old, and the last one is 10 years old now.
All right. So you have companion inside the house, two of you working inside the house, is it?
Yes, yes,
All right. While taking care of these 5 children, you do house chores also at the same time.
yes, ma'am.
You do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So embrace yourself because, as what I have mentioned, Oman and Malaysia is quite different. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Houses here is very big. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I
Can
can
you
cook.
okay? Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, okay? Once you
Yeah.
terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. And you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you feel homesick, you miss your family, or you cannot handle your job anymore, or if there is any uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines, okay? Because this is a
Yeah.
2 years contract. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's fine, you work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
I will fight my homesickness while I keep busy myself to work and listening music, and then I will call my family when my work is done.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself also at the same time, right? But in Philippines, you can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you,
much and
ma'am.
have a good day.